Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter and TechFive. And what are we going to do today? So, everybody who is an owner of the DJI MAVIC 2 already knows that these gimbals are really a different sort of gimbal. How fast can you put these gimbals, because it's so freaking irritating, and I think this is one of the major flaws of this drone, MAVIC 2. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to take this and put into a real test with TechFive. So TechFive, if you can join us, and we will see how fast we can move the gimbal cover on. Ready? 3, 2, go!
There you go.
Like a boss. So, everybody's saying that there is a lot of flaws on this. I don't see any, but we are going to run the test again. We are going to run it 3 times and we'll see how fast we can do it in 3 times. So, test number 2. 3, 2, go.
Wow.
Wow. Done. Well, the second one actually took a little bit of time, right?
Yeah, the camera turned.
The camera turned.
And then it went downhill from there.
Okay. Now, test number 3. So, 3, 2, go. Now let's see, why is it taking so much of time to put the gimbal cover on and off? TechFive, if you can explain your point of view.
Well, the problems I'm having is because this one is like a flapper right here. You have to carefully put the flap on top of the camera. Make sure the camera doesn't move, and then the little closer parts right here need to go into the close points right there. So you gotta do this kind of movement. Shove in this gimbal, pop it up, match the cover, and then snap it in.
Can you do it again? Okay. Well,
so it's easier than it looks like, but it's very gimmicky the way they did it. What are your thoughts on it?
well, see, I have a problem on this. My problem is a little bit different. My problem is that every time when I'm putting this back on and off, this thing is getting scratched. So this is what's happening, guys. Let me show you. So, if you guys can see, I'm having scratches on the top of the gimbal. Right out here. Right out here, I'm having scratches. I paid $1,249 for this drone. This probably 5 cents gimbal cover is actually scratching my MAVIC 2 Zoom's top one. I do not know whether the Pro is facing the problem or not, but it's happening with the Zoom also. Is it happening with yours?
Let's take a look.
Yep.
There is a few marks, yes. So that's the biggest concern, is you gotta carefully put it in, don't rush it, line it up, and then close it. If you do it in any other order, you get to
scratch it, right?
The top of the gimbal, and you don't want to do it. I mean, it's just a gimbal, but still, you don't want to scratch your drone. Period.
Okay, guys. So that's pretty much it. We could explain.
That's probably one of the flaws with the Mavic Pro 2 zoom, and I'm not sure about the Mavic Pro because it's a different one. We should investigate that as well.
And we will come up with that later on the channel. We have some friends out here who can actually give our give Mavic 2 Pros to us, and we can test that out also. One more thing, I think it's a find by TechFive. He found a very interesting thing while folding the Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic 2 Zoom. What's his opinion about this? You were showing me that something was going wrong while you're folding. Can you show it to the viewers out here?
So there's a big issue with the back leg folding. So check this out. So when you fold it, look at that, it's stuck.
So it doesn't
fold all the way. So you gotta actually push it down because there's not enough clearance between the leg and the body of the drone. So I don't know if this was done on purpose or not, but that's another little flaw I found with the Mavic Pro 2 Zoom.
Okay, so I would really give a quick shout out to Anton from TechFive for sharing his thoughts in the channel. So thank you, Anton.
No problem.
And so there you go, guys. Gimbal cover. Problems. Is it a real problem? I think it's kinda, because this whole flap thing is scratching my drone. It's scratching the top part. I paid $1,200 for this. Guys, let us also know in comment sections if you guys are facing the same problem or not. Alrighty, so take care. See you next time with some beautiful finds on the channel. Take care. Adios.